Okay, so last night was kind of a longish one. Tonight I'm going to talk about what our road ahead is. I found this article about deploying Ethereum smart contracts. Now, I did want to mention one of my viewers was kind enough to point out, I think it's called Avalanche, which will actually allow you, I believe, to go cross chain between Ethereum and Avalanche. Um, and it looks like an interesting new project that we should take a look at. Um, so this article goes through the whole thing of explains Solidity, and now their way of doing things is they set up a wallet. MetaMask is available, I believe, on all the platforms, and you put some Ether in there, and then you can connect to your. This is, I believe, it's this test faucet, and you can then create a file and deploy it. So right hand side of the remix window. So let's see with okay, so they're using a particular tool called the Remix Browser IDE. So that's another piece we're going to have to get. There are quite a few different options in terms of using different IDEs you can use, or um, integrated development environments you can use to write Solidity. And so that's what they use to create their smart contract, to type in the code, which I think they show it here. Some page down, I know they show some. Okay. So I guess they're importing, defining a contract, and then going through, and these are all the methods. So oh, so this is transfer and returns true or false, and you take the address and the value, real basic stuff: balance, total supply, transfer. So basic ERC20 token. And that's what we're going to use to test out this network that we now have up. I did not see any difference in the balances, so I'm not sure what we're going to end up with when we try to actually get this thing going. I guess we're gonna have to see, because we have our 3 nodes. Let's see, this one. Oh yeah, we got 3 nodes going on, and we're gonna have to get them going and see what happens. Now, if you look, it says it did 6 transactions, so that's interesting. But anyway, this is the direction we're going in the next, I'd say the next week. We're going to start, I think, by installing MetaMask and installing an ID. I'm not 100% sure, convinced of Remix, but there are quite a few different IDEs for for writing Solidity. So we may just go with Remix because that'd be easy, or I may choose to go with something that's a little bit more robust. So anyway, hopefully this series, working with these blockchains is helpful to you. And if you find it useful, please give a like. Please subscribe to see more as we go on, and I will speak to you next time.